Yeah, dude, got a dude out here. I don't know if you can notice my little into my plug-in there. I went to the lawnmower shop a couple of weeks ago when the weather was nice, drop off my mower to get fixed. And guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to plug my plug-in. And my plug-in, which is down, you can't see it, but down straight down below you. And now I got to put a new plug-in on. So anyway, so all I got to do is cut the tape off of this, which I duly taped up last spring. I did get a new plug-in. That's a really good taped up job. Okay, I knocked you guys off the pedestal there, so I had to stop for a minute. There's a new plug-in, nice and shiny. And after I put this on, I gotta make sure I put some dielectric grease on, the plug-ins here, so they, keep them getting look like that, corroded and yucky looking. Anyway, so I did all that. I got this cut open and peel all my wonderful tape off. I'm gonna have to go down and buy some more electrical tape here because I don't have any more. But I do got plug-ins and connectors, so what I'm gonna do is nice rubber band. Okay, you know there's only 4 lines here. You got the ground, blinker, and brake. Well, one's brake light, 2 are blinkers, 1 brake light for both sides. Anyway, I'm not sure which one. I have to go back into the box and look, but I'm not going to do that. So pretty much same plug if you look on there. They kind of match. So 3 prongs, 1 plug-in, and Clay's prong. Anyway, I got the wire strippers in my box here. Oops, I didn't get my wire strippers. One minute, look at my wire strippers on. Okay, I got my wire strippers. This is the handiest little tool I bought. I don't know where I got it at, to tell you the truth. But it's the best little wire stripper I ever bought. Fits, you can see you fit all the little teeth in here. Different size wire gauge there. Put it together. The clamp comes down on the bottom like that and pulls the wire right on off. Pretty little nifty little gadget. I mean, for me anyway. I don't know where I found it or who gave it to me, or I think my father-in-law gave it to me. All those 30 years ago when I was redoing I first bought our first house. Okay, that was too small. I got a little. I bought my first house. It was a fixer-upper. So we went through and we changed all the plug-ins in the house, all the house switches, and the plug-ins for your lights and all that. I replaced all of them. So yeah, he bought me this just so it'd be a little easier to show some of the wires. One more down, it's 12 gauge, see, come on. I got the right slot. And I got some connectors up there. Now the funny thing about these connectors are they're shrink to fit. They're right here. Oops. Anyway, they're shrink. If I keep dropping things, they're made to shrink around the wires after you crimp them in there. And then I got these little doohickeys, which also you heat them up with after you get that on there, shrink down, then you put this around, it melts around the connector, so it gives you a watertight, supposedly watertight seal. Okay, had to check. You always want to check the wires, make sure they're the same: white, brown, yellow, and green. White, brown, yellow, and green, which I just did. Now I'm going to cut this plug-in off. I'm going to do like 1 wire at a time because my wire cutters aren't the best in the world. There you go there. Not real rocket science I'm doing here, guys. So now we'll strip these wires. They should be the same as 12 gauge. I just stripped off the other one, which they are. If you guys can see that, I'm not holding the camera so you guys can see that. There we go. Some of these I might go a little long, so I'm going to have to cut them off again, but that's because I stripped them too far back. Now the other little thing I bought, it's from Harbor Freight. This little doohickey here has all the little attachments and all the little thingies you got, but it doesn't have the shrink to fit ones yet. So, but the thing I like is the crimping tool. Now, if you see, they're color coded for depending on what color you got. You know, out of the box: blue, red, yellow, and blue, or blue, red, blue, and yellow. Anyway, they're different sizes. So this is more of the red color. So I'm guessing pink, red, yeah. Okay, so we're going to take out 4 of these doohickeys, these little connectors. There's 3 and 4. Now what you do is you crimp it in the middle after you get the 2 wires, and then you crimp it on both sides, and then the little fat part here, it shrinks down around the wire, supposedly. We shall find out. So I'm going to do the first one here, which is the white one. So one goes in one end. I'm going to have to cut some of that off. I stripped it way too far back. Like I said, my pliers, my wire cutters are very dull. This supposed to have a wire cutter on it too. I'm not sure yet. Okay. One goes in one end, one goes in the other. Then you crimp it. So I'll put one in there first. You twist these strands together so they don't spook out on you. I thought I had them twisted good enough. Maybe I don't. So you're getting hung up on the entrance there. I might have got the wrong size wire nut, which I think I did. I got one too small. Crimp that side. There's that one in there like that. And unless you pull it off like I just did, then it doesn't do any good, does it? Okay, I'll get those other 3, I'll show you. Okay, as you notice, I got one black tie on this one. I forgot to do the other 3 wires. So, these are shrink to fit, so I'll go ahead and debate if I should go ahead and take these off or not. But, before I do the shrink to fit thing, I'm going to plug it in and see if it even works. See if I can see my plug in. I got it plugged in there. I'll go smoke. Okay guys, I'm going back here in a minute and show you how hard the brake lights are on. This way. The brake lights are on there. And brake lights are on there, ain't it? So anyway, I did wire it right. I got my truck running, so I'm going to go turn my truck off. And I'll show you how I shrink them. Hold on. So anyway, so for half the season last year, my passenger side brake light didn't work. I had my headlights on, and that would light up, but the brake lights and the turn signal didn't work. So now they both work. So it must have been something in my wiring down here, which you can't see. Now, guys, I'm going to take my lighter and melt. These are supposed to be shrink ends, so we shall find out. Must be a blowtorch. Hold on, guys. I've never used these before. My lighter must be out. Oh, let me get a different lighter. Seeing how I don't smoke anymore, I never have any lighters around here. I gotta try this one here. I'm gonna burn my fingers with the wind. Okay, having luck with that then. Need a lighter out of the house. Okay, got a lighter. See if it works. Okay. Let's try this first one here. I love these safety lighters. A little harder than it looked. I had one-handed. Anyway, I unplugged it. Might work a little better, guys. There we go. I can hold it over here. Okay, which one I haven't got done yet? The green one. The white one, green one. Okay, now I know they all work. Since I only got this one on this one, I'll just go ahead and shrink this one on here now. There we go. That works. Now, all done. Ain't too hard. All you need is some wire cutters, wire strippers, new connector, and some of these. All done. I made the video a little longer than I thought it should be. But anyway, you guys take it easy, like, subscribe to my channel. One of the things I got to fix up before I start mowing this summer. At least now all my trailer lights work. People will quit pulling beside me, honking their horn, and say, "Your trailer light's out." I said, "Yeah, I know, thank you." Anyway, but anyway, I gotta go pick my mower up. I was gonna do it today, but I didn't have a plug-in on, so I couldn't do that. So I will go. It's supposed to snow again Sunday into Monday, so we will go Monday next week and get my mower, my little Toro, and I'm ready to go. I went over today. One other thing before I hang up is I went over, had them tighten up. There's a nut right here. You guys can't see it 'cause I'm backwards, but the nut right there. And there's a nut underneath, and it's what holds it on there. But see, I can't show you, I don't have it up, but it was wobbling real bad. That comes loose, the braking period. So now I will see what happens when I go plow again. But it works. That blow plow works pretty good. Some of my customers don't like it, but too bad. Anyway, you guys all take it easy, like, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. And remember, always be nice. Talk to you later. Bye. Have fun.